le voina kan zir tur chu trigonometry ania trigonometry hi a root word atang kan senga hey trigonometry ti chu trigon ti le metron ti chopol brick tong khania I'm sorry chuan trigon ti kha triangle ti na nia metron ti chu measurement chuan trigonometry chu metsa zirna chi khat triangle ti dar zirna ani berani hin threat him dan tur chuan it establishes the relationship between angles and sides of triangle tia triangle a hian kan zir to ho chin khan ngai to le dula geometry kan zira kha chuan a side kan zir to a side sei zo de kan te ta char chara kha tiang Pythagoras theorem ang te kan zir ta ni chuan angle kan zir to angle chau kha kan zir le ta elai angle bel khomi za som red ni triangle angle bel khomi za som red ni kha te be kan zir triangle a angle le a side ta hi kan ole zir lova khami te pati in chop polang chi kha kan zir te uber Pythagoras theorem le isosceles triangle isosceles triangle a side patin chen chuan angle patin chen ve what was equilateral triangle a khan a side and chen ve ka chuan angle point chen ve ti hai kan zir ve ni ma se khang ka chu a specific lu to general de wa zir na hi kan na nei lo ni chu trigonometry hian a hian kan zir do na angle khe example se a side thread thi da ha kan zir do na ni Pythagoras theorem kha lo lu le lok tela this color here Pythagoras theorem a kha tian right triangle lom ta a b c hi equation khai ta ni ac square kha ab square le bc square le tluk kan ta he ta hian kan thread tur chu a side pakhat a side hi entinan AB ka 4 ti lo thaila BC ka 3 lo ti lo thaila AC ka thriat thei ta ni chu han la side pani ka thriat chon apathum na kha thriat thei ta ni trigonometry kan zir dan tu le ro chu right triangle thoni do na kan zir hitlam tlang puin BC tho te lo ni leta se ta hi chuan a side pani thriat angai to don lo a side hi pakhat chau thriat to hei 4 ti kan thria hela angle hi kan thra tu ni na 30 degree lo ni ta se AB kan thra thenga AC kan thra the don bokani kha tak kha trigonometry a powerful na ti me diang all sam ta thina zira zung zung theina thina chu chu zung zung theina ni Pythagoras theorem ruwa kan man ka chuan sai kha pati tal thre dangai trigonometry chuan sai kha pakhat bak thre dangai to lo angle arrow chu thre thungai te kha angle side in le chi na kan thre to do na wangin he ki kan thra the don ni now let's move on to the ratios definition here share ve phota ngai ta ni trigonometric ratio kan ti me ta triangle a khan side pathum ne ta mi kan lo pholo ne mi kan phole lo nga ela hi a ti le te la a b c chuan he b hi 90 degree ta ni he right triangle a hian chuan angle c hi angle mi an theta greek horopat ma theta hi theta te chiar tur ani theta lo om ta chuan a side to yin kan phuang hypotenuse kan thra to sa a right triangle side saber kha 90 degree f che om kha kha hypotenuse ani ta chuan adang hey theta f che emi theta opposite che om hi opposite ka ti ab hi opposite ina ni chu le han ziak lok taila ac kha hypotenuse ani hello copy tharo in notebook khan hypotenuse ania chuan ab kha opposite kan ti engati opposite kan ti chuan theta opposite che oma wangin chuan bc kha adjacent kan ti thota adjacent di kha chu anom arm kha chen he li theta angle cm2 arm bc kha adjacent chu ni khatia se chuan ac po kha adjacent tho chu ni ta amaro chu ac kha ming thana nei to wangin hypotenuse ti nei sa ba ha kha kan ring jong do na adjacent a kha chuan bc chau kan ring don ta ni he hi im magap I memorize kha ngai ta ni phota now these are the relationship ta hian side hi pathum ma oma chuan a ratio kha a side te hi kan divide down ni khang bin divide chi sang sang kha paruk a chuak the ni ab by bc ni yang ai to ta la ab b side kha pathum ta ab te bc te ac te heng ratio chi sang sang paruk the da ni ab by bc the ya ab by ac the ya bc by ac the ya hala ling ron da le te la BC by AB lenga AC by AB lenga AC by BC ti khan parukom theda ni ratio ka 1 2 3 4 chuan heng ratio hi mingan phuang chu chuan angle ne le chin na lo ne don ta ni now let's see what are those ratio amma separate on sin thing can define non ta sin theta kan tiang chu enge kan ti chuan a opposite hi opp ti to me o opposite ka hypotenuse in divide ta la chu opposite chu oh the name has gone down right AB by AC ani then another definition is cos theta kan ti ve thung ta chu adjacent by hypotenuse equal to adjacent to BC ni ta a hypotenuse AC tho then there is another one tan theta tan di tangent di na ni sin is SINE ni full form mo chuwangin sin te lam lo tur sin te lam tur cos hi cosine tan hi tangent chuan hi opposite by adjacent tan hi top ta chu AB by BC hemi pathum hi memorize thei chuan atok viau ni te angoro short form dang da lela memory a ta tan opposite by hypotenuse hian O by H ti hin hei by hat all sabna to o hi O today te la H A by H chuan O by A sin chu O by H cos ka A by H tan ka O by A ti han memorize all dewang he memorize hemi pathumi memorize so adang hi chu har to lo dang pathum le chu hemi le ling vek khai to do na he hi ni cosec le adang cosec theta chu sin le ling ania 1 by sin theta ti nga lang hai ba ro samnan chu wangin hemi hypotenuse by opposite ani ve me ni chu AC by AB chuan sec le sec hi cos le ling ani ve thunga chu hypotenuse by adjacent H by I'm sorry side min khazia le jok te la cos le ling kha me AC by BC then finally tan le ling kha cot kan ti ve thunga cot theta equal to 1 by tan adjacent by opposite chu BC by AB a diagram nen hian hei copy thlale notebook a chuan hei memorize tu engma theorem formula lamalani lowa hei chu basic definition or formula chu nia basic definition ania alo chho dan tia chuiwak thei an ri lo hei chu define ka soi fi dan ni sin kha opposite by hypotenuse ni kan soi fi a okay now hemi mang hian problems kan chokngal thei to ni let's look at the first of problem example 1 find the t ratio or hela hi in textbook mi kha nia number a le c number 1 sub number a le c ha ron chok don ni hela triangle hi ka denang try a b c dia find the t ratio sin theta cos t ratio trigonometric ratio one dekha chon is on to chu sin te cos khang ho kha ni e hoi t ratio one dekha ta tan cosec sec, and then finally cot. Heng parok hi zon tu ren ta ni. Le kan zong do na ni. Kan soi to khan sin theta chu opposite by hypotenuse ania. Inang ta hian alem khain wang wang khoi lai opposite kha idu le jiak me don nia. Hei theta ni chuan theta f che chu hei hi ab hi da hei opposite ani. Then hypotenuse ka chu chiang ra hei hypotenuse ne reng do na. Chuan hilai ka adjacent ani to me. Okay, so moving on. Let's see how easy it is. Opposite to 3 draw. Or do let me can dale put la AB by BC ni mo. Opposite to 3 nia by 5. The khana zo there. Cos kan zong lenga cos theta chu cos ka adjacent by. Hey highlight the key memorize by ha chuan adjacent by hypotenuse tivel khat. Har sa khom lem lo ni. Admin kan endo chon adjacent to AC lo nia hypotenuse BC tho AC to 4 by 5 ti khana zo le tan kan en lenga tan theta chu opposite by adjacent mo kha chu wangin opposite to AB nia hi helai mi mo AB by BC AC by BC AB by AC hi jiang nge kha ngai lem lo ni trade also nan color jiang me me now AB to 4 and AB to 3 and by AC is 4, right? They can. So one cosec katu sine let link it oka 1 by sine and to wagin sine k enanga sine to 3 by 5 to 5 by 3 ni me. Sec to cos let link and to 4 by 5 5 by 4. Cot to tan let link and 3 by 4 draw 4 by 3 ni vele me. Understand? The card number C na po hi na mahani chocolate he to meang he chu karon da lang tak na no malo chok don ni oh hey pakhat du lagan chok china nga sign lo in don tela tai chuan he theta nia hemi opposite che chu he hi ni hela hi opposite nia he hypotenuse then this is adjacent so sin theta chu opposite by hypotenuse that is opposite is 5 more hypotenuse is 13. Moving on to the next example. If sine of A equal to 2 by 3, find all the trigonometric ratios of angle A theta A. Leta hian right triangle engma lemal pe lo by lem ha pe photang. Now draw a right triangle. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, A got there. Oh, wait. Here is wrong. A, B, C, B ka 90 degree ni. Sin A ka 2 by 3 there. Hey, sin A to 2 tani. Now, 2 by 3 kan tika chuan sin ka chu kan soi tuang khan opposite by hypotenuse ania. Kha kan mang tang kai don ni. Or alematang hian sin A chu alematang hian hey thet a kan angle side A kha hemi opposite kha la to hey opposite nia nga this is hypotenuse and this is your adjacent sin A chu alematang hian BC by AC lo ni ta ni okay so 2 by 3 luk kan dita a 2 by 3 kha BC ka 2 say tina ni chuang lova AC ka 3 tina point chuang lo a jebel jela 2 by 3 na soi chu BC le AC divide te la chokte ta vak ta la 2 by 3 chho do tina ni a value ta ta kan thelo wangin heta chapter 9 vela ka zer to ang khan ratio are that x ka kan da te lang equal to yanga 2x by 3x ti kan da de oh now wait now let it yanga BC equal to 2x AC equal to 3x chanchu sin A kha 2 by 3 kha tluk miawa now Pythagoras theorem mang khanin nghe gần là khi nào qua BCAC AB gần là khi nào nhưng mà Pythagoras theorem gần mang in right triangle ABC tiếng á let's apply Pythagoras theorem AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared alone ya AC chu kan sei tong khan 3x kan ta 3x whole square equal to AB we don't know AB kan ti meang BC is 2x more 2x whole square 9x squared ania AB squared plus 4x squared ta hian ka soi fu tong khan AB square what hi la phei su up an hian hemi le hemi AB square le 4x square hi la pheyang chona sai khei ti boilo meang AB squared plus 4x squared equals 9x squared AB square wa left hand side akan danga equal to 9x squared ania minus 4x squared 4x squared khalo page 1 a negative to don then AB squared equal to 5 tero 5x squared AB ringot to root over 5x squared now no need to worry square root ka zong tak don lo root 5 ka root 5 tingan zet to panga x square ro chu square root ka x ani ti khat hey x chu en la root noi om to lo tu ni so we have AB ka root 5x around ya BC chu kan soi tong khan 2x AC ka 3x wait let me put a different color all right it confused lo to kulok nan color da kan manglo nga oh the right triangle has gone never mind hey BC ka 2x mo kan ka AB AC ka 3x ania hey root 5x ka lo chok ta ni chuan hian sin kan nei to a adang cos le tan ti vel kha zon ve tu ren ta ni a sin kan nei vek to engma bona turom to lo let me change the color once more hey hi ka se do kan hey hypotenuse ania this is here adjacent and this is opposite okay let the khan sin cos le tan kan zong tuang hi sin I mean cos le tan kan zong tuang chuan adang cosec sec le cot ti vel bokha thil harom to lo take a bit of time to erase all of this because if I just erase on one slide then all of this what do you call this diagram will also disappear so I'm doing it manually le the khan cos su kan zong theta cos a chu adjacent by hypotenuse ania alem kan enanga adjacent to root 5x hypotenuse is 3x x le x kan sela root 5 by 3 chua then tan chu opposite by adjacent mo ka ania chu bangin opposite is 2x mo 2x by high adjacent is root 5 I'm sorry not root oh yeah 2x by root 5x so x and x cancelled and I got 2 by root 5 chuan ka sai do khan cosec kha chu sin le link khan le me a 1 by sin ka ti deng ti hian opposite vel jang ai lo sin chu nge sin ka 2 by 3 nia 3 by 2 ti ngal top thei sec chu cos le link ania cos ka to root 5 by 3 mo 3 by root 5 I'm sorry the last one is cot right not tan cot a to tan le link 1 by tan a equal to root 5 by 2 Okay. Now the last example for today. If 5 sec theta equal to 13, so that 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta equal to 3. Again, let's draw a triangle. Ta hian sec a pair hi om je chu 5 sec theta equal to 13 ti om je chu sec theta rengot kha mo ei 5 le sec hai multiply 5 is all ma right hand side aga da thei chuan 13 by 5 a chuan ti nani. So let's see how it goes. Kasi dong han he opposite ni le a hypotenuse adjacent. Sec kha chu ko se dong han cos le ling ani a cos chu kan thang han sin kan la khelo. So therefore the cos theta chu 5 by 13 ni ve ngal ani le ling ta wa khan ma se cos khan nge tlukan di kha adjacent by hypotenuse ro adjacent chu he hin ta ni li 13 x dileng o lo ni ta no sorry adjacent ka 5 to 5x alone le ta ni atla hi hypotenuse ka 13x dileng o equal to tan da le photela adjacent AB by AC ni. Let AB equal to 5x, AC equal to 13x. Sin kan thread tat lo wang khan pai tu ro ser kan man le khangai ta ni. So in right triangle ABC apply pai tu ro ser again. AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. AC is 13x. AB is 5x. BC we have to find it. 13 169 lo into x squared equal to 25 x squared plus BC squared. Hi la pheliam 25 x squared plus BC squared equal to 169 x squared. BC squared rungot chu 169 x squared minus 25 x squared, or BC squared equal to 954 624 144 x squared. BC rungot chu root over 144 x squared. 144 ka square root ka jong da 1 in or kat 1 2 2 2 za 4 2 2 za 4 12 anymore. BC equal to 12x lo chota ni. So I put here 12. Ti khan chun som le ta la sin theta chu nge ni ve ta ka ti chuan sin theta chu opposite by hypotenuse ania. Opposite is 12x by hypotenuse is 13x. X lex in cancela gives 12 by 13. Okay, headline chin chelo kang sin theta equal to 12 by 13. Now khang ka ta ka substitute anga 3 ka mut thlin tum turani. I hope you have already copied this, right? So don't khan I erase chung kha lo right hina, so just copy everything down. All right. No to long array to do ne. A left kila equation can prove to ra hian is yang 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 4 sin or LHS yang LHS ka equal by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta tianga to ne tu true tianga sin theta ya 12 by 30 kai dang 12 by 13 minus 3 cos theta chu cos theta kai je kan se to kha 5 by 13 mo 5 by 13 by 4 12 by 13 book minus 9 5 by 13 again so te the eng ma om lo multiply to pa ngai ni equal to 48 by 13 I'm sorry no is all multiply to 24 by 13 more chung ma choka minus 15 by 13 via 48 by 13 minus 45 by 13 equal to 13 ka LCM ka la chung nam 13 ani me ya 24 minus 15 ta hian 13 tho LCM 48 minus 45 24 minus 15 ka 9 more 9 by 13 divided by 3 by 13